Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert USDT to USD on Trust Wallet. First, launch the Trust Wallet and make sure you have USDT in your wallet. Then tap Send to prepare for transferring your USDT on an exchange. Now, choose an exchange that supports USDT to USD conversion, such as Binance or Coinbase, and copy your USDT deposit address from the exchange. Next, go back to Trust Wallet, tap Send, paste the exchange deposit address, enter the amount you want to transfer, and confirm the transaction. Always double check that the network matches, such as ERC20, ERC20, or PEP20 to avoid losing funds. After that, open the exchange, go to Trade, select USDT and choose Sell. Select USD as the fiat currency, confirm the trade, and wait for it to complete. Then go to Withdraw and select Bank Account. Add your bank account details, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and confirm the transaction. Wait for the processing, which usually takes from an instant up to a few business days. Finally, log into your bank account and confirm that the USD deposit has arrived. Keep your transaction ID or screenshots for reference in case you need them later. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.